Jamaican reggae vocalist Bob Andy dies at age 75.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Veteran reggae singer and prolific songwriter Bob Andy, who had been ailing for some time, passed away on Friday morning, the 27th of March, at his home in Stony Hill, St. Andrew. News broke recently that the entertainer, who had been battling cancer for some years, was gravely ill. In the early 1970s, Bob Andy, whose career spanned several decades, recorded with Marcia Griffiths as the duo Bob and Marcia, initially for Studio One, but later under producer Harry J's tutelage. They scored a major UK hit with the song Young, Gifted and Black, which peaked at number 5 in the UK in 1970. He also recorded Piped Piper, another top 20 UK hit with Griffiths. Born Keith Anderson in Kingston in 1944, he began his career in the groups The Binders and The Paragons, before going solo in the mid-1960s. Recording in the legendary Studio One under producer Cox and Dodd, he released songs that would become reggae classics, such as I Have Got to Go Back Home and Too Experienced. He also wrote songs that would be recorded by reggae stars, including Gregory Isaacs, Ken Booth, and Delroy Wilson, along with solo numbers for Griffiths, although their partnership ended when she joined the I-Threes. In 1978, Andy took a break from his music career after taking up creative dancing with the National Dance Theatre Company. He also concentrated on his career as an actor, starring in the 1980 film Children of Babylon and The Mighty Quinn in 1989. He relocated to London, where he worked as a producer and recorded with Mad Professor. He also lived in Miami. Anderson was conferred with the Order of Distinction in the rank of Commander Class for contributions to the development of Jamaican music by the government in October of 2006. In 2011, a tribute concert was also held in his honor in Kingston, Jamaica.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.